Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn HTML. So first of all, let's begin how to create the web pages in HTML. So first of all, make the HTML folder, then create index.html. First step is we have to mention the doc type. After that we have, this is a basic syntax, doc type HTML, or you can also simply write HTML tag. HTML, there is opening tag and the closing tag of HTML. I have already added the HTML tag with opening and closing tag. With this we have header tag. This head tag has also opening and closing tag. In HTML, some of the tags have closing and opening tags, so we have to follow the structure. After that, in this head tag, you can add the styling over there. You can add the links. You can add the scripts. You can add the meta fields over there in the head section. After that, in the head, we have another tag that is called body tag. Body tag, we need to mention body. This is the body tag. Here the whole HTML page rendered. So suppose like I want to write heading, so heading tag for h1. This is heading tag. If I write anything, it will put, let's this is my test site. This is my test website. Okay, this is heading tag. Okay, and if we run this HTML and open browser, no, let's run it from the folder, open it Firefox. See, I have just written this is my website, and whatever I can write in this body tag, it will come over there. Next we will learn another one that is called the paragraph tag. Just put P, this for paragraph tag, and see the paragraphs will be written. This is my head test website. If we go and just refresh the page, we get the paragraph. Okay, this is for heading. The heading is of type 6 types. I will explain the heading part. This is h1, h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. Now you can see various headings: h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. So these are the heading tags in HTML. Next video we are going to learn more about the tags, like listing tags, order list, unordered list, bold, italic, formatting. Each and every tag which are useful in creating the HTML, we are going to learn in the next video. Keep watching our video. If you have any query, please ask us, we can help you on that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.